Hello, I'm going to show you how to access your @MoatCS email account. First, open up Google on your internet browser. Then look up Office 365. Click on the option Office 365 Login Microsoft Office. Now click on the Sign In option. Entering your email address, which is the same login that you use to access the school computers, except there is no space. So for example, it's important to note that it is usually your first name, followed immediately by your surname, at moatcs.com as your email address. Then click on Next. The password you use for your MoatCS email address is the same password you use to log into the computers in school. Enter this and say Next. This screen appears. It will ask you, do you want to stay signed in? That's personal preference on your own devices. If you're using a public computer, I suggest you say no. If you're using a private computer, it's your choice to say yes. Once you are logged in, you now have the option to look at any of the Office 365 applications. These are all available to you to use. If you want to check your emails, you simply click on Outlook. Outlook will then open and give you the opportunity to look at new email coming in to your inbox.